Hold on, Lachi, hold on.
Ah! Left your gate, left your gate. Left your gate. Keep a rev, keep a rev, keep a rev, keep a rev. Keep a rev, Aston, keep a rev.
Yeah. Alright, Coley, respect me.
Hold this to me, yo, hold this to me. Take off that shirt.
Mr. Arthur, you alright? Alright. Alright, baby.
No star.
Oh my God.
Mr. Wagwan. Mr. Wagwan, I come in, man, I come in. Oi, boss, oi, boss. This.
Yeah, man. This.
Hey, so it's everybody flood out. We don't want to stop, we don't want to tap in the water. I feel you have the same problem tapping the water down there, so. If van I shut off. Hold on, no. We don't want to tap in the water. Wagwan Britannia.
Alright.
Jump on the van.
Come in here, fan. Catch our boat. It's a bad. This place I feel like that will live up 21,000 feet.
Get rev, Aston, get rev.
There's a full corner there.
Wagwan, brother.
Full corner there.
Bad star.
Right, man. You're full of.
Hey, care.
You're full again, boss.
This is more than you can bear, man.
Full again.
More than. So easy.
When I good you one?
Eh? I'm on a diesel, man.
But the small now, I have to do the friend.
Eat up. Honey, man. Hey, how you do? Yes, sir. But I'm not going to be able to video if I'm in water. No, over fence for you.
Miss B! Man!
Hey!
Water coming for you. Eh? Water coming for you.
No. I stand up here so deep, you know, give a little rev. Up here so real deep.
I said, water will deep up here some water.
Hello.
Miss Brown?
Yes, sir.
What, man? Alright?
How are you? Why, me not even big like me up on boats in a Port Marathon. Yeah, man, me up on boat in a Port Marathon. Yeah, man. We need for dialogue. Yeah, man. Alright, boss, we have no problem with that. Yeah, alright. Benny King, you there?
I mean, come to prosperity. What you are doing?
Not no go so, man. Not no go so. Act of God, man. Not no go so. Not no go so. Not no go so. Not no go so. Not no go so.